Hey guys, it is Badger Gaming here. I need some tips on how to fix this because every time I turn this on and hold it, it won't turn on at all. It just stopped working after I unhooked it from the charger and tried to turn it on and talk to my friends. It wouldn't turn on. And I can go to the I tried setting it up. I deactivated it from my thing and I tried setting it up by going to accessory settings and then going down to manage Bluetooth devices, register. Then I grab this. I hit start scanning. And then I hold this in while it was starting to scan. But some reason it won't turn on, like the blue light won't flash, nothing happens. It's fully charged, I'm pretty sure. And it just won't stop scanning. Also, if I put it on the charger, which I will let you guys see. I got this charger, it's new. I bought it from Walmart not too long ago. Then plug in my headset. As you can see, it turns red, but if you give it a few minutes or so, it will turn off by itself. If you know what that problem is, leave in the comments below and tell me how I can fix this, or if it won't be fixed, because it was working fine like a whole year, and then when I try to talk to my friends and turn it on, it won't turn on, and now it won't even activate on my PS3. So if you could leave in the comments below of how to do that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Badger Gaming. I am getting a new camera soon, so I'll be recording better videos, but yeah, if you guys know what the problem with this is, I mean, I press the wow. Wow. I mean, I could go to accessories, manage Bluetooth device, yeah, and I could press the button down. See, nothing happens, and I don't know what's up with that. So if you